Hi, my name is Magdalena and I am a science educator and PhD researcher, and I develop an online learning environment for Einstein's theory of general relativity. And right next to me, this is Henning. He's a physics teacher, and we have produced a series of videos to illustrate Albert Einstein's principle of equivalence. So let's have a look at this. So you can see this is the interactive interface, and now he's just clicking on the chapter on the principle of equivalence. There's a lot of good stuff there, and exactly here is the learning resource that we want to present to you today.
We will now talk about the principle of equivalence, which is a basic principle in general relativity. People like to refer to this principle as Einstein's happiest thought. We will watch a small experiment which will help us to understand the principle a bit better. Here I have a bottle of water. There's a small hole down here, so if I open the lid and open the hole, water is running out. I want you to discuss what happens to the stream of water if I let go of the bottle and the bottle falls down to the floor. What will then happen to the stream of water? Now let's see. This went a bit fast. Did you see what happened to the stream of water? Let us try once more, but this time a bit slower. Now we do it yet another time and stop in between. And once more. Now we have seen what happened to the bottle and the water. Let me explain a bit more. Before I let go of the bottle, there's an upward force from a hand acting on the bottle. And then there's the force of gravity that acts downwards. But if I let go of the bottle, only gravity remains. Therefore, the bottle and the water will feel the same acceleration, the acceleration due to gravity. And then we can say that the bottle and the water will feel weightless when falling freely, in the same way you would have felt weightless if you had jumped from a high tower, for example. This simple thought about weightlessness made Einstein so happy. It was this happy thought that led him to a new theory for gravity, which we can be happy about today.